Litti Chokha. Litti Chokha is most famous and traditional dish of Bihar, known as for its simplicity, rich flavor and cultural significance. It is not just a food item but a symbol of religion, identity and heritage. The dish is widely enjoyed across the Bihar and has gained popularity in the other part of the India as well. Litti is a type of baked or roasted dough ball made from the wheat flour and stuffed with a mixture of roasted gram flour known as sattu. The stuffing is flavored with spices, mustard oil, garlic, ginger, and herbs, giving it a distinct and earthy taste. The litti is traditionally cooked over the charcoal fire or a cow dung cake, which adds a smoky flavor. Chokha, the accompanying dish, is mashed preparations made from vegetables such as roasted eggplant, boiled potatoes, tomato. These ingredients are mixed with a mustard oil, onion, green chilies, and a coriander leaves to create a flavorful side dish. The combination of litti chokha create a balanced and satisfying meal. Historically, litti chokha was a staple food for our farmers and travelers. It was easy to prepare and required minimal ingredients and could be stored for a long time. This made it a practical and nutritious option for the people living in the rural areas. Over the time, it became a popular dish across all the sections of society. Litti chokha is also closely associated with the Bihari culture and tradition. It is often served during the festival, family gathering, and special occasion. Street vendors and roadside stalls across the Bihar serve freshly prepared litti chokha, attracting both the local and tourists. Nutritionally, the dish is quite healthy. Sattu is rich in protein and fiber, making litti the wholesome food. The use of natural ingredients and traditional cooking method add to its healthy benefit. This inclusions of vegetables and chokha further enhance the nutrition's value. Litti Chokha has gained recognition at the national level. It is now served as a restaurant and food festival across India. Showcasing the cultural heritage of Bihar, many chefs have also experimented with the modern variations of the dish while still preserving its traditional essence. Despite modernization, the traditional method of preparation of litti chokha remained popular, especially in the rural area. The smoky aroma, rustic taste, and cultural connections make it a beloved dish for the people of Bihar. Litti Chokha is more than just a meal. It is a representation of Bihar's culture, simplicity, and traditionals. Its unique taste, nutrition value, and historical importance make it one of the most famous dishes associated with the state.